A very warm and pleasant good morning to all my dear students of class 2A and B. So today I am here to start a new lesson in your English 2. The name of the lesson is My Dog Fred. It is a short poem and we will find out what's there in the poem. So let's get started with the chapter. Before getting started, tell me, do you have a pet? What is a pet? Pet are those animals which we keep at home, which we can keep it in our house. They are known as pet. Okay, like dogs and cats, they are pet animals. They are not harmful. We can keep it at home. That is why they are known as pet animals. Okay, do you have a pet? Not everyone must be having pet at home. And what would you do with a pet if you had one? So if you had a pet, those who are having, it's okay. Those who are not having pet, if you just imagine if you had a pet at your house, what would you like to do with the pet? Okay, so now let's get started with the chapter and find out what's there in the poem. So I have a dog, his name is Fred. So this boy, he is narrating the poem. Okay, so he is telling, I have a dog, his name is Fred. He won't play fetch, he won't play dead. So he is having some different kind of dog, because dogs usually love to play fetch. Fetch means when you throw something, he goes, he gets it, and he again comes back. That is known as fetch. When you throw something, the dog, he runs, he catches the things, he brings it back to you. And again, if you throw, again he will go, he will get the thing, and he will come back to you. That is known as fetch. Going and coming back with the thing, that is known as fetch. He won't play dead. So he is having some different kind of dog. He does not love to play fetch. He won't play dead also. He won't shake hands or sit or stay or bark or beg or run and play. So he won't shake hands also. You know that dogs shake hands. Whenever trained dogs, we go and ask them, give your hands, they will definitely give you hands. The trained dogs. But do not try it with each and every dogs. They will bite you. Okay, only the trained dogs, those who are trained at home, they do all those things. Okay, so he's telling he won't shake hands or sit or stay, or bark or beg. He does not bark also. Dogs, they bark, right? He does not bark also, and he does not ask for food also, and he does not like to run and play. He is having some different kind of dog. Let's find out why it is like that. Okay, we will find out now. See the next page. He won't roll over, jump or crawl. In fact, he won't trick at all. So he won't roll over, jump or crawl. So like dogs, they love playing, crawling, jumping and everything. Crawl means to move with the body resting on close to the ground. Okay, crawl means to like move with like spreading the hands and legs, spreading all the four limbs, and they crawl like that. He does not like to do that also. He in fact, he won't do tricks at all. What is tricks? A mischievous action. Dogs, they trick, right? They are very much tricky. They love to play, they enjoy playing, but he does not do all those things. Then when people ask, I tell them that's because my dog was raised by cats. Okay, that is the reason why the dog, he does not like to do all those things which other dogs like to do. This dog, Fred, he does not like to run and play, fetch also. He does not like to jump also. He does not like to crawl. He does not do tricks at all. He is some different kinds of dog. So why it is like that? When people ask, so this boy is telling, when people ask me why your dog is like that, he says that my dog is like that because he has been raised by a cat. What is that? Because he has been raised by a cat. He must be staying with the cats. That's why he also became like that only. So that is the reason he does not do all the things which other dogs do. That is the reason, because he has always stayed with a cat. So it is a very short poem. I hope you understood the poem, And the author of the poem is Ken Nesbitt. The author of the poem is Ken Nesbitt. Now turn the page. There's words to know. Fetch. What is the meaning of fetch? To come or go after and take or bring back. As I explained you, like fetch means to come and or go after and take or bring back. Crawl. To move with the body resting on close to the ground. That is known as crawl. Trick. A mischievous action. Trick means a mischievous action. Now understanding the text. Fred is a dash. Rabbit or dog? Fred is a dog. So B will be the right answer. Number 2. Fred was raised by dash. Cats or dogs? So option B is the right answer. Fred was raised by cats. Now fill in the blanks. Fred do not play dash or dash. Fred do not play fetch or dead. So in first blank you will write fetch, and in the second blank you will write dead. He does not dash. He does not tricks. He does not shake dash. What he does not shake? He does not shake his hands. He won't dash over. He won't roll over also. So now answer the following question. Number 1. What does the dog not play? What does the dog not play? The dog does not play fetch and dead. Okay, number 1 answer is that. What does the dog not shake? The dog does not shake his hands. Number 3. What trick he does not do? He did not crawl. He does not crawl, and he does not do any trick. Why do you think Fred does not behave like a dog? Why do you think so? Because it is written there in the last line of the story. He was raised by a cat. He stayed amongst the cat. That is why he does not behave like a dog. Okay? So that's all for today, my dear students. I hope you understood the poem. You will read the poem and you will write all the answers, whatever you get in your WhatsApp group, neatly and clearly in your notebook, so that we can check it when the school reopens. I hope you all are completing all your works properly and neatly in your exercise copy. Okay, so be a good student, stay home, stay safe. See you all in the next video with the new chapter. Okay, so be a good student till then. Stay safe, follow your online classes regularly, and do all your work neatly and clearly in your exercise copy. So have a good day and see you all in the next class.